Hey YouTube, so we have problem with the dealer changing the oil and then leaking oil, so we gotta see what's the leak at. Somewhere down there is wet. Oh man, I forgot my flashlight. Yeah, somewhere down there is wet right now, so we're gonna head into the dealer right now to there's like a cover around the under the belt. It is wet around that area down there, right there. And on the bottom right here is leaking oil, as you can see the spot right there. And then right there is leaking. So as you can see, it's all wet down there, down here right now. Alright, so we're gonna head to the dealer right now, see what they're gonna do.